Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of building a barndominium, you've probably wondered how much the kit itself costs. Well, what if I told you there is a company that delivers a complete 1,500 square foot package for just $49,000? That includes all the framing, roofing, siding, windows, and doors. Pretty amazing, right? Today, we diving deep into the 5 best barndominium kit companies for 2025. We cover everything from budget-friendly options starting at $35,000 to premium packages reaching $150,000. More importantly, I'll give you all the essential info you need before you place that order. So, grab a notepad and let's get building. First up, for all my budget-conscious builders, we have Mueller metal buildings. These guys are the most affordable option on our list, with kits starting at just $35,000 for a 1,200 square foot basic package. They've been in the game since 1976, so they really know their stuff, specializing in designs that are super DIY friendly. So what's in the box? Their kits come packed with an engineered steel frame, metal roof and wall panels, all the fasteners you'll need, and detailed assembly instructions to guide you. Once you order, you can expect your kit to arrive in about 6 to 8 weeks, anywhere in the continental U.S. Mueller is perfect if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and do the assembly yourself or hire your own local contractors. One thing people love about them is their excellent customer support. You can actually get someone on the phone to help you during construction. Now, for the total cost. After you factor in the foundation, all your interior finishing, and labor, you should expect your total build to be somewhere between $70,000 and $90,000. Not bad for a brand new home. Next on our list is General Steel, offering fantastic mid-range kits. Their packages typically run from $55,000 to $90,000 for homes between 1,500 and 2,500 square feet. What really makes General Steel stand out is their turnkey service option. If the idea of coordinating contractors gives you a headache, this is for you. They can handle everything, from pouring the foundation and assembling the shell to managing the interior finishing. Their designs are specifically created with barndominiums in mind, so they have great standard options for porches, garages, and custom window placements. Plus, they provide stamped engineering drawings that are required for permits in all 50 states, which is a huge time saver. Another big plus is that their standard kits include insulated metal panels. This might cost a bit more upfront, but it'll save you a ton on energy bills in the long run. Delivery usually takes about 8 to 12 weeks. General Steel is the perfect choice for buyers who want a professional to coordinate the entire project without the stress of juggling multiple contractors. Your all-in project cost will likely range from $140,000 to $250,000, depending on the level of finishes you choose. Now, if you're dreaming big, let's talk about Worldwide Steel Buildings. They specialize in large and impressive barndominiums, ranging from 2,500 all the way up to 5,000 square feet. Kit prices here start around $80,000 and can go up to $150,000. Their unique advantage? Fully customizable floor plans. They have in-house designers who will work with you to modify your layout at no extra charge. This is a game changer if you have a specific vision for your home. But the quality doesn't stop there. They use commercial-grade steel that's rated for 140 mph winds. This makes their kits an ideal choice for hurricane-prone areas like Florida and the Gulf Coast. Here's a huge bonus. Their kits come with spray foam insulation already applied to the panels. This alone can save you $15,000 to $20,000 in finishing costs. Delivery takes a bit longer, around 10 to 14 weeks, but the exceptional quality is absolutely worth the wait. Worldwide Steel is best for buyers who want premium materials and a truly custom design. Total build costs here typically run from $200,000 to $400,000. All right. For those who want the absolute best and are less sensitive about the price tag, let's look at Morton Buildings. They are the premium choice in the Barndo world, with kits starting at $100,000 for their high-end designs. These guys are legends in the industry. They've built over 100,000 buildings since 1963 and offer the best warranty you can find. What makes them different is that they use post-frame construction instead of a steel frame. The big advantage here is the ability to create massive, wide-open interior spaces without needing any interior support posts. Imagine the possibilities for your great room. But here's the real white glove feature. Installation is included in their pricing. That's right. They send their own expert crews to your site to build the entire shell for you, completely eliminating any assembly headaches. The timeline from your order to a completed shell is about 12 to 16 weeks. Morton is perfect for buyers who want a top-tier, hassle-free experience. With luxury finishes, total project costs usually range from $250,000 to $500,000. Last but certainly not least, we have Rhino Metal Building. In my opinion, they offer the best value-to-quality ratio out there. Their kits are priced from $45,000 to $75,000, hitting that sweet spot of 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. Perfect for couples or small families. One of the coolest things they offer is a free 3D design rendering before you even order. This lets you see exactly what your barndo will look like and make changes before it's too late. Their customer service is consistently ranked #1 in the industry, and they assign a dedicated project manager to each build to guide you. Plus, Rhino includes a lot of features as standard that other companies charge extra for, like ridge vents, gutters, downspouts, and all the trim. Delivery is quick, at just 6 to 8 weeks. They also offer financing options through third-party lenders, which can be a huge help. Rhino is an amazing choice for first-time barndominium builders who want that extra guidance and support. Total build costs with Rhino typically land between $110,000 and $180,000. So how do you choose? As you can see, the right kit company really depends on your budget, your location, and how hands-on you want to be. To recap, Mueller and Rhino offer the best value for DIY builders. General Steel is your go-to for excellent turnkey coordination. Worldwide Steel is perfect for custom designs, especially in hurricane zones. And Morton Buildings delivers premium, post-frame quality with full installation included. All 5 of these companies have stellar reputations and thousands of completed projects under their belts. Before you make a final decision, here are a few crucial tips. First, always check their websites for the most current pricing and request detailed quotes from at least 2 or 3 companies. And please, verify they are licensed to operate in your state before you sign anything. Next, you need to confirm exactly what's included in the kit versus what you need to source separately. Most kits include the shell, the framing, roofing, and siding, but not the foundation, interior walls, plumbing, electrical, or your HVAC system. A good rule of thumb is to budget an additional $50,000 to $150,000 beyond the kit price to get your home completely move-in ready. Do your homework. Read customer reviews on independent sites, not just the glowing testimonials on the company's homepage. Ask for references of recent customers in your area, and, if you can, go visit a completed project to see the quality for yourself. Finally, get your delivery timeline in writing and make sure you understand their warranty terms completely. I hope this guide helped you get a clearer picture of your options for building your dream barndominium. If it did, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe for more building guides and tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know which company you're considering and why. And if you need help budgeting your entire project, be sure to check out my video on total barndominium building costs. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your build.